Welcome to the best picks. The best wheeled backpack is probably one of the most sought-after travel companions for frequent flyers and adventurers alike, promising a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and practicality. This video will dive deep into the world of wheeled backpacks, helping you navigate the choices and find the perfect travel companion that seamlessly blends functionality with style, ensuring your journey is as smooth as can be, no matter your destination or the length of your stay. Number 5. Rockland 17 Rolling Backpack. This backpack is perfect for travel. Its double handle and rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver. It features double wheels for a smooth and effortless ride. Say goodbye to bumpy trips. The front pocket keeps you organized with its built-in organizer. You'll always find what you need quickly. It also has convenient side mesh pockets for water bottles or other small items. Keep your essentials close at hand. When you prefer to carry it, padded shoulder straps provide comfortable support. Carry it comfortably on your shoulders. With dimensions of 12 by 8 by 20 inches, including wheels, it's the perfect size for your needs. It's spacious but still easy to manage. What we like. It has double wheels for smooth rolling and a convenient front pocket to keep essentials handy. The padded straps provide extra comfort when carrying it like a backpack. If you need a basic, reliable rolling backpack for short trips, this is a great option. What people say. It fits all of my belongings for my 2 classes that I could never physically carry on my back. It doesn't feel that cheap, it feels like a regular backpack from any store, but on wheels. The handle and wheels are sturdy enough to do what you need it to do. Carries your books, electronics, water bottle, has wheels so it moves, you can easily drag it behind you unless everything inside weighs you down. Rolls easy and fairly light. Not super comfortable as a backpack, but not terrible. Number 4. Rockland Double Rolling Backpack. This stylish backpack is perfect for travel or everyday use. Its durable design and multiple compartments make it incredibly practical. Maneuver easily through crowds and airports with its effortless double-wheel design. It glides along effortlessly, making travel a breeze. It has a large main compartment to fit all your essentials. Pack everything you need for a weekend getaway or a day at the office. Stay organized with the handy front pocket. Keep your smaller items like phone, keys, and wallet easily accessible. Quickly access your water bottle or other small items with the convenient side mesh pockets. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Carry it comfortably on your shoulders with the padded straps. Even when fully packed, it remains comfortable to carry. What we like. This one is just like the first one, but with a stylish purple color. It offers the same great features, double wheels for easy maneuverability, a front pocket for organization, and padded straps for comfort. If you're looking for a stylish and functional rolling backpack, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It fits all of my belongings for my 2 classes that I could never physically carry on my back. It doesn't feel that cheap, it feels like a regular backpack from any store, but on wheels. The handle and wheels are sturdy enough to do what you need it to do. Carries your books, electronics, water bottle, has wheels so it moves, you can easily drag it behind you unless everything inside weighs you down. Rolls easy and fairly light. Not super comfortable as a backpack, but not terrible. Number 3. High Sierra Freewheel Backpack. This backpack is designed for the modern traveler. It's spacious, durable, and has plenty of features to keep you organized. It boasts a multi-compartment design, so you can easily separate your laptop, clothes, and other essentials. There's even a dedicated media pocket with a headphone port. With its smooth rolling wheels and hideaway handle, it's a breeze to maneuver through airports and busy streets. The padded shoulder straps are also comfortable for carrying. It's built to last with corner guards and a kick plate to protect it from bumps and scratches. The padded laptop sleeve keeps your device safe and secure. It includes convenient features like a side beverage pocket, a triangle clip to attach extra gear, and a reflective strip for added safety at night. It's ideal for students, commuters, or anyone who needs a reliable and comfortable backpack for their daily adventures. It's also great for travel. What we like. It boasts a fully padded laptop sleeve, smooth rolling wheels, and a large multi-compartment design. This keeps your laptop safe and your belongings organized. If you need a backpack that protects your laptop and offers great organization, this is for you. What people say. It fits a surprising amount, all of the pockets are very easy to use, and the middle pocket has a little pouch on top. That's great for carrying things you might need to grab in the middle of a flight or the middle of a drive or something. It's incredibly well put together, zippers are terrific, and the fabric seems to be indestructible. The handle extends up really high, much higher than other backpacks. That's perfect for the airport. I'm 6'1", and I find a lot of handles on luggage could use another 3 or 4 inch. This one is actually long enough. I used it in all configurations, wearing it on the back, carrying by the fabric strap, wheeling it around with the telescoping steel handle, and it performed admirably while walking through city streets and climbing mountains. I had no issues with the telescoping handle or the wheels, and dragging it behind me presented no problems controlling it. Number 2. MATEIN 17 Rolling Backpack. This rolling backpack is designed for ultimate organization and smooth travel. Its multiple compartments and pockets keep everything in its place, making packing and unpacking a breeze. The main compartment easily fits clothes for a short trip, while a padded sleeve protects your laptop. Additional compartments keep smaller items neatly organized. Need your phone or passport quickly? It has several front pockets and side pockets for easy access to your essentials. Everything is within reach. With its 4 spinner wheels, it glides effortlessly in any direction. It also has hidden shoulder straps for when you need to carry it on your back. It's made from water-resistant polyester and has reinforced corners and a sturdy handle for lasting durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel. Whether you're going on a business trip, heading to college, or commuting to work, it's the perfect versatile companion. It's stylish, functional, and ready for anything. What we like. This rolling backpack features 4 spinner wheels for effortless 360-degree movement and 3 spacious compartments for ultimate organization. It's also water-resistant to protect your belongings from unexpected rain. If you prioritize smooth rolling, great organization, and water resistance, this is the one for you. What people say. Rolls great, lots of storage and pockets, durable zippers, and overall great construction. It is easy to use and has enough compartments to carry all of my personal belongings. The actual backpack is quite tough and reliable. Number 1. YOREPEK Rolling Backpack. Its TSA-approved design lets you breeze through airport security. The durable, breathable material keeps you comfortable even when you're on the go. It has a large main compartment for all your essentials, plus plenty of smaller pockets to keep everything organized. You'll never have to hunt for your phone or passport again. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, this backpack is up to the task. It's great for international travel, weekend getaways, or even a day trip to campus. It has a built-in USB charging port and headphone hole, so you can stay connected and entertained wherever you are. The removable wheels make it easy to switch between rolling and carrying. Use it as a rolling backpack for easy transport, or remove the wheels and carry it on your shoulders. It's the ultimate versatile travel companion. It makes a thoughtful gift for students, business travelers, or anyone who loves to explore. Give the gift of effortless travel and organization. What we like. It features a TSA-friendly design for quick airport security, a convenient USB charging port, and removable wheels for versatility. This allows you to easily charge devices and switch between rolling and carrying modes. If you value convenience and versatility, this is a perfect option. What people say. Space inside is decent, wheels are strong. Nice product, very sturdy, will have not broken off head bag for good 2 years daily office bag. It can fit a good amount of clothing as well as a laptop. It is the wheel attachment that became an absolute nightmare for us during our trip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.